Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, check it out. We just got to the lake and I am gonna go through my setup. I got it all leveled. That part is ready to go. Power's on, solar's hooked up. Now I'm gonna do the cabanas and let's get to it. Here's our new setup, our camp kitchen. That is a Walmart 2-in-1 grill with a 1 burner. It's not too bad. I like it. You just have to stay on top of flipping stuff constantly, but so far so good. And here is a view with the gazebo, the pop-up. Definitely a great addition to camp. All right, here we are at camp. This is our new setup. Screen room, yes, definitely a must. It's a game changer. We love hanging out there. Now I have a new outside kitchen set up. Here's my cantina in the back. If you want to save a lot of water, get one of these and a bowl. We use this, I put just a couple gallons in there, but we use it to wash our hands and just rinse things off. And tell you what, it saves us a ton of water on the water inside. But this is the Ozark 2-in-1. And so far I like it. The reason I bought it is because this is a cast iron grill, and some of them have aluminum with a Teflon base, and you can't put a pot on the aluminum. But anyway, the key to this is, since the grill is close to the burners, is you just have to do a lot of flipping. But I do like the flavor that it gives. And the reason I bought it is I like to do my espresso coffee and be able to use this side too. So I think this is going to work out great for us. So there you have it. So we are doing peppers, sausage, and onions, one of our Italian traditions. And we like to do it when we just do an overnighter because it's simple. We do it for dinner. A little bit of rice. Sometimes I'll get a baguette, which I forgot to buy tonight. Anyway, and then in the morning we throw some eggs in. We have peppers and eggs and a side of sausage, so it works out fantastic. One thing I love about this grill is when you grill a little bit into the evening where you can see the burner, you can adjust this down, you can adjust it up, but I tend to like it on the lower side. So far, so good. Cast iron grill, that's the reason I bought it instead of that aluminum. You know, another thing that has been great that we use in the camper, we use it at home too, by the grill, is this little rechargeable LED light. And it's on low right now, or no, that was high. But it's great for lighting up the grill and using it for lighting the camping, for reading. But I'll tell you what, this has worked out really good. Talk about a setup for just You know, little weekenders, little overnighters. You know, we don't do more than 3 days, but we got everything we need, and it's paid for. That's what it's all about. Anywho, that's the setup, the new setup. Every year it's different, but so far it's so good. Donna's over there having a glass of wine on a rock. She's happy, she's got data, she's chatting with the other side of the world right now in the Philippines. But this is just amazing. Loving it, living it, out here in the woods, if you want to call it that. Check it out, those are the bug zappers, rechargeable, 12 volt. And then I have one in the ceiling, and it's nice because it attracts bugs and then it zaps them. So far, I think these are the coolest. So I have one inside also. So I have one in the trailer and a couple out here in this GAZEBO. Loving this. This is a game changer for us. First time we're having dinner outside. Usually weather kicks up and we end up inside, but this is perfect. Keeps the bugs out. Well, it's coffee time. Second cup. Here's my, like that cup. And then we are going to turn this into peppers and eggs. Right now, more coffee. All right, wish me luck. Here we go. Peppers and eggs. All right, peppers, eggs, and sausage.